Hey guys, today we're going to do an upper body workout. If you don't have weights at home, that's fine. Just grab some soup cans, or if you have a resistance band, that will work as well. We're going to do 5 different movements. If you don't know how to do them, I will demonstrate them for you. Okay, the first movement we're going to do is a bicep curl. Remember, your bicep is right here on your arm. Okay, you're going to start with your weights at your side, or your soup cans at your side. And you're going to just slowly bring them up to your shoulders and then come back down. Okay? So you're going to exhale while you're going up. Up and down. You're going to do that 10 times, nice and slow. Okay, I'll turn to the side so you can see. Up and down. Okay? When you finish with 10 of those, you're then going to do kickbacks. So if you see right here, I have a chair. You only need 1 soup can or weight. Okay, you're going to lean over, you're going to put one hand on the chair, you're going to put your elbow at a 90-degree angle. We're working the tricep muscle, which is behind your bicep on the back side of your arm. Okay, so you're at a 90-degree angle, and all you're doing is straightening your arm, holding it for a second or two, and coming back down. Up, down, up, down. And you're going to do 10 each arm. So once you finish 10 with that arm, you're just going to switch and do 10 with the other arm. Okay? The third movement is an overhead press, and that's going to help your shoulder muscles. Okay? So you're starting with your soup cans or your weights in both hands. You're bringing your elbows up again, so your elbows are at a 90-degree angle. You're pushing straight up and down, up and down, and you're going to do that 10 times. All right? Our fourth movement does not require any weights, but it's push-ups, okay? And push-ups are a hard thing for some of you to do, so if you need to do them from your knees, that is fine, okay? If you're doing them from your toes, make sure your back is nice and flat, your hands are shoulder-width apart, down, up, down, up. If you need to drop to your knees, do that. Make sure your back's at an angle. You're doing the same thing. You're bringing your chest down, up, down, up. And you're doing a total of 10 push-ups. And when you're finished with your push-ups, we're going to do a back exercise called bent over flies. So you need your weights and your soup cans again. Okay? You're going to bend at the waist just like this. You're going to start with the weights straight down in front of you. Arms are straight. You're bringing them up like you're a bird and you're flying. And you're doing a total of 10. Okay, and this is going to help your back muscles. I'll do it from this angle. Up and down. Up and down. Okay? I want you to do 3 rounds of each. So you're going to go through and do your curls, your kickbacks, your overhead press, your push-ups, and your bent over flies. Then you're going to do another set, and then you're going to do a third set. And when you're finished, you just need to fill out the Google form. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, send me an email.